Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Daily. I'm Emma. Let me ask you something honest. When was the last time someone asked you a question in English and you froze? Your mind went blank. You knew the answer in your language. But in English, nothing came out. Maybe it was your manager at work. Hey, can you explain this report? You panic. Your hands get sweaty. You say, Or maybe you're at a coffee shop. A stranger asks, what do you think about this sweater? Such a simple question, right? But you freeze. You don't know what to say. This is the real problem. You're not bad at English. You just don't know how to respond when someone asks you suddenly. The question comes fast. You need to answer now. No time to think. No time to translate in your head. But here's the truth. You don't need perfect English. You don't need to know everything. You just need to buy yourself time. You need to answer with confidence. And that's exactly what I'm teaching you today. 30 simple, powerful phrases. Real English that native speakers use when they don't know what to say. By the end of this video, when someone asks you a question, you won't freeze anymore. You'll buy yourself time to think. You'll answer with confidence, even when you're not sure. This is not textbook English. This is survival English. Are you ready? Let's begin. 30 phrases for handling unexpected questions. Category 1, buying time to think. That's a great question. That's a great question. That's a great question. Let me think about that for a second. Let me think about that for a second. Let me think about that for a second. That's interesting. That's interesting. Oh, that's interesting. I'm glad you asked that. I'm glad you asked that. I'm glad you asked that. Give me a moment to think. Give me a moment to think. Give me a moment to think. That's a good point. That's a good point. That's a good point. Category 2. When you don't understand the question. Sorry, can you repeat that? Sorry, can you repeat that? Sorry, can you repeat that? I didn't catch that. Can you say it again? I didn't catch that. Can you say it again? I didn't catch that. Can you say it again? What do you mean exactly? What do you mean exactly? What do you mean exactly? Can you explain that a little more? Can you explain that a little more? Can you explain that a little more? I'm not sure I understand. Can you ask that again? I'm not sure I understand. Can you ask that again? I'm not sure I understand. Can you ask that again? Category 3. When you don't know the answer. I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that. That's a good question, but I don't know. That's a good question, but I don't know. That's a good question, but I don't know. I don't have that information right now. I don't have that information right now. I don't have that information right now. I'm honestly not sure. I'm honestly not sure. I'm honestly not sure. I haven't thought about that before. I haven't thought about that before. I haven't thought about that before. That's outside my knowledge. That's outside my knowledge. That's outside my knowledge. Category 4, redirecting or offering to help later. Let me get back to you on that. Let me get back to you on that. Let me get back to you on that. Can I think about it and tell you later? Can I think about it and tell you later? Can I think about it and tell you later? I'll check and let you know. I'll check and let you know. I'll check and let you know. I need to look into that first. I need to look into that first. I need to look into that first. Let me find out and I'll tell you. Let me find out and I'll tell you. Let me find out and I'll tell you. Category 5, giving your opinion carefully. Well, in my opinion. Well, in my opinion. Well, in my opinion. I think, but I'm not completely sure. I think, but I'm not completely sure. I think, but I'm not completely sure. From what I know. From what I know. From what I know. Based on my experience. Based on my experience. Based on my experience. I could be wrong, but I think. I could be wrong, but I think. I could be wrong, but I think. Category 6, ending your answers smoothly. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? Does that make sense? Does that answer your question? Does that answer your question? Does that answer your question? Let me know if you need more information. Let me know if you need more information. Let me know if you need more information. Perfect. You just practiced 30 real phrases. Now let me show you how this works in real life. Story 1. Sarah at work. Meet Sarah. She's a marketing specialist. She works at an international company. Today is Monday morning. Her boss walks up to her desk. Her heart starts beating fast. Let's see what happens. Dialogue, unexpected question from the boss.
Hi, Sarah. Good morning. Can I ask you something?
Good morning. Yes, of course.
The client asked about the campaign results from last week. Do you have the numbers?
That's interesting. Let me think about that for a second.
Take your time.
I'm not sure about that. I don't have that information right now.
Okay, when can you get it?
Let me check and let you know. Can I get back to you by this afternoon?
Sure, that works. Also, what do you think about the new design?
Well, in my opinion, it looks professional. From what I know, the colors are good for our brand.
Great. And do you know if the client approved it?
I'm honestly not sure. I haven't heard from them yet. Let me find out and I'll tell you.
Perfect. Thanks, Sarah.
Does that answer your question?
Yes. Thank you. Talk to you later.
Thank you. Amazing. Sarah didn't panic. She didn't freeze. She used the phrases to buy time. She was honest about what she didn't know, and her boss respected that. Now let me show you another situation. Story 2. James makes small talk. Meet James. He's a software developer. He's working in the United States. Today, he's at a coffee shop. A colleague sits next to him and starts a conversation. James is nervous. But watch what he does. Dialogue, small talk with a colleague. Hey, this coffee is amazing, right?
Yes, it's very good.
So, how long have you been with the company?
I've been here for about 6 months now.
Nice. What do you think about the new project management system?
That's a great question. Let me think about that for a second.
Sure, no rush.
I think, but I'm not completely sure. Based on my experience, it's easier than the old system, but I haven't thought about all the features yet.
Yeah, that makes sense. What about the reporting features? Are they better?
That's interesting. I'm not sure about that. That's outside my knowledge right now. I mostly use it for task tracking.
Fair enough. Do you work with the design team much?
Sometimes, yes. Why do you ask?
I heard they're looking for developers to help with a new interface. Interested?
That sounds great. Can you explain that a little more? What kind of help do they need?
They need someone who knows React. Do you know React?
Yes, I do. Let me look into that first. Can I get back to you on that?
Of course. I'll send you the details later.
Perfect. Let me know if you need more information from me.
Will do. Nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too.
Perfect. James did it. He was nervous, but he didn't freeze. He asked questions, he bought time, he was honest, and the conversation was natural. What you need to remember. Here's what I want you to take away from this lesson. Number 1, native speakers don't always know the answer. Even Americans, British, Australians, they say, I'm not sure all the time. They say, let me think about that. They say, that's a good question. It's completely normal. You're not weak. You're human. Number 2, buying time is not rude. When you say, let me think about that for a second, people respect you. It shows you care about giving a good answer. It's better than saying, I don't know, and stopping. Number 3, you don't need complicated words. Look at all 30 phrases you just learned. Are any of them difficult? No, they're all simple. They're all short, and they all work. Number 4, being honest is powerful. Sarah said, I don't have that information right now. James said, that's outside my knowledge. Nobody judged them. Nobody laughed. People respect honesty more than fake confidence. Number 5, you can always ask for clarification. Can you repeat that? What do you mean exactly? These phrases are your best friends. When you don't understand, ask. Don't pretend. Before you go, I want to hear from you. Write in the comments. What scares you the most when someone asks you a question suddenly? Is it at work, at school, with strangers? Tell me, and I will help you. Like this video if you feel more confident about handling unexpected questions. Share it with your friends who are learning English, because when we support each other, we all get stronger. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next lesson. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You don't need to know everything. You just need to be brave enough to speak. Your accent is beautiful. Your effort is admirable. Your voice matters. I'm Emma from Speak English Daily. Keep practicing. Don't be afraid. Your future is waiting. Thank you for being here with me today. You're doing amazing. Take care, everyone. Bye.